My name is Lakshmi Kala. I'm a current yoga TTC student of hellomyyoga team. Um, I've been teaching yoga for 8 years now, and I always thought, coming from the family background, I had elders at home all the time, and I always thought I could take care of them. But only after I joined this course did I really understand there's so much more I should know before I actually should start taking care of elders. Um, a group of seniors came to approached me for classes, yoga classes, and then I thought I shouldn't do it without proper training. And I was very happy or was lucky to have chanced upon this course, and I joined it immediately. And ever since I joined the course, I'm very, very happy with all the information that was provided. And the teachers are wonderful. Um Dr. Ketkar has given us so much information, um, which I didn't know before. And the anatomy and physiology part was explained in such a nice way that a non-medical student could understand. And that was something that really helped me a lot. Uh, Without going into great details, I still understood a lot of physiology and anatomy part. And she was also instrumental in telling us how important it is to the way you care for the elders that you care for is it's so beautifully mentioned. And um, I think I am actually running out of words to express. I also would like to thank Dr. Pankaj, who has given us wonderful insights into the Ayurvedic practices, practical tips, which are really helpful. Some of them I have tried, and it is really being very, very useful for helping, especially the elders. Not only the elders, even for us, it has been very, very useful to understand ourselves better, and that makes us give better treatment to the others. Also, Dr. Ganesh Rav's sessions on psychology, they were eye openers, because I always thought uh, what I thought why are the elders behaving like this? And now I know what is behind it and how I can probably help them overcome any problems they have, or how we can support them in many ways, which is very, very crucial for them. Uh, One thing I really loved was with our busy schedule. Uh, I'm I would say with the busy schedule, I also forget a lot of things that I learned from the class. Hello, my yoga team has given you the recordings of all the classes, which you can always go back and say, hey, I forgot this. Can I refer back to those audios and videos? And this was something that has really been very, very helpful. I don't know, hello, my yoga team, how to thank you for this. Because every time, I forgot something, I could always go back and listen to the recording again. This was really, really helpful. It's also helpful in ways where when we are traveling, or due to some other commitments, if we couldn't attend the class, we could always use the recording to help. And also their communication, the way the Hello My Yoga team has been sending us information and communicating with information about giving us a plan of how the classes, or what are the next few classes that you will see in the next month, has given us good what do I say, preparation, or we could prepare well because the plan was sent much earlier, so we could prepare well for the classes, so we as to not miss the classes as many as we could. And also constant reminders to do the assignments. Yes, uh, that has also been very helpful. On the whole, I think it's one of a kind. The course is one of a kind. And I hope a lot more people will make use of this and help a lot more other people. Thank you so much. Hello, my team.
So I'm really grateful for this course, Shivanji, and the teachers especially, because this course really opened up a lot of my thought. And I live in Salt Lake City in Utah for the past decade. I also attended a lot of yoga therapy programs as a teacher in the US as well. I'm an RYT 500 from Yoga Alliance. This course is so unique for many reasons. It's a very specialized course, number one. And the teachers, the second most important thing is the teachers, right? The doctor, we have a real doctor, and I loved her the sessions. And you will see, once you register the course, she's like in front of you talking, and she's, she explains very well with the board. And I loved that all of those courses, because I'm a very analytical person. I work as a security analyst at a big company here. So the entire course was excellent, and I don't know what else to say. It's so great teachers and awesome access to the courses. And also, I want to reiterate again, the Hello My Yoga team and Shivaniji integrates everything together and presents you. I love that. So thank you, Shivaniji. Back to you.